Hello you guys, this is Niso with EZ Locksmith. We're here in Parker, Colorado, 80134, in a very unique business. They had a problem. They have, I'll show you, they have two rods here. It's a double commercial door that has two rods to make this door be closed all the time in order for this pedal to be able to latch on the second door. So the rods fell inside the door, and what we're trying to do, we're trying to find a way without removing the actual door to get the rods, the broken rods that fell in the door. We're trying to get them out and replace them with brand new ones. We're trying to get away again without removing the actual door. We have our technician here. Her name is Kahila. She's a super expert in the field. We're gonna try and get them out right now and replace them. So yeah, that's what we're trying to do. We got one out already. This is the second one, a bit more complex. We decided to go ahead and cut it because anyway we're going to replace it with a new one. Almost there. Okay, the second one came out. We're able to cut it with a Dremel in order to get it out. This is the second one we got out. We're going to replace both of them with brand new ones, and they should be good. Instead of just taking the door down, we're able to cut this piece with the Dremel and remove the pieces here, and we're going to replace them with the new ones. Now we just need to get the actual bar out and connect with the new one, and they should be good. So everything is ready for the installation. Kahila here is adjusting the right height for the new bars. So we're trying to match the height with the old one to make sure everything would close properly after we're done with the installation. And we should put it in the door. Like we said, we have two new bars that we're installing here in Parker, Colorado, 80134. EZ Locksmith. Always try to make it as easy as possible. Different companies came here and they said they have to replace the doors, which is not true. We were able to figure it out, not only not taking the door down, but really getting to the bottom of the issue and making sure the customer understands what really needs to be done. Kahila, you having fun?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful area here in Parker. Nice chilly weather. As we said, we added a security feature right here. So this is the piece. This is the piece right here that we added. So the rod would sit in there eventually, so it wouldn't fall down in the door like it did previously, and that's what caused their problem. So yeah, this is one. We're gonna install another one at the bottom. So we replaced the first one, just showing you the entire process. Brand new. We'll show you what's going on. I'm gonna climb the ladder. That is how the bar looks like. And when you put it down, the bar goes up and then goes down. And that's how it's latching in this hole at the frame. So we're gonna show you this as well. Right now the door is closed. We're gonna put this down, and now the door is locked. Now we just need to do the bottom one and we should be good. As we said, we are done with the top one. Now Kahila is doing the bottom one. We inserted the rod inside the door, closing it, adjusting the height, and making sure the bolt that comes down would be able to latch on this hole. How do you like being a locksmith, Kahila?
I love it. Wouldn't trade it for anything.
Oh my God. All right, top was replaced, brand new one. Bottom was replaced, brand new one. Beautiful work. Good job, Kahila.